Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's dinner time now, it's evening, and I'm starting my vlog in the evening because I'm going with my parents for dinner. And it's actually been a long time since it's just the three of us that we've gone out for dinner. It's been a while since we went out, and that's why I thought of starting this vlog because I have a series called Trying Food Places in Mumbai and actually across India. Wherever I go eventually, I love to try out new places and review them for y'all, and hence of course I had to start a vlog to give y'all recommendations. And this vlog is actually going to be for all the seafood lovers and for all the dessert lovers. So hey, even if you're a vegetarian, don't worry because I hope you'll enjoy watching my vlogs. For the sake of my vlogs, I will continue watching the video. First, I'm gonna have seafood and then dessert later at a very popular place. I don't know how, I don't know if I should call it underrated, but I don't know how famous or popular that spot is, but it's a very, very good dessert place. The first place that we're going to be going to is Trishna, and it is an excellent seafood place, and both these places are in town, but they are very, very good places. So trust me, today's video is going to be like an excellent food recommendation video because I've already tried the places. I have gone to the places, especially Trishna. I've been going since my childhood, and it's a very popular seafood place. I mean, you get a lot of things. It's not like you only get seafood, you get vegetarian food as well, but it's more known for the seafood, especially the crabs. It is known for the crabs. So if you are a seafood lover, then you have to and you must visit it. But when I go there, I'll of course show you all better, and I can like tell you all exactly what we order so that you all can get a better idea. And if you all go there, you all can obviously refer to my video and order something. After that, we're gonna have dessert, and who does not like dessert, right? And that place I'll tell you all later only, so you all continue watching the video and I can reveal the location of the dessert later. We've reached the spot, we've reached the place Trishna, and this is the side that we usually sit on. One of like these tables is where we usually sit. We've been coming here for many years since I was a child, so yeah, and it's a very popular place and I'm sure a lot of you all might be knowing about it already. So we've ordered the chicken manchow soup for me and my mom. Although last time but he's घातलेलं same आपण तयार केलेलं.
हे आता पहिल्या वर्षी घेतलेलं.
Similar होता. And then we ordered the fish Hyderabadi. कुठलं prawns मागवले? Prawns Kolivada. And now we're waiting for the food. Food is actually served pretty fast, so I'm not able to take videos of everything. But we had the prawns, the soup, and now we're having the fish, the Hyderabadi fish. So we have this apron. Is it called an apron? I don't know what it's called. Kya bolta thela? They usually give this when you eat crabs, and because we've ordered the butter garlic crabs and rumali roti now, which is like our constant order, and it's very, very tasty. So that's about to come, and we're all wearing this. It's very cute. Just got the Lotus Biscoff strawberry ice cream at Odo, and it's my favorite. I had it last time. I'm sorry you all can't see me, but it's really tasty. Okay, so it's the next day now. So I gave y'all like a proper review of the seafood place, Trishna, but I don't think I gave y'all like a proper review of Odo because first of all, it was too crowded. And then by the time I came back home, I was just too sleepy and tired to film anymore. But I think I told y'all, of course, that I've gone to this place multiple times before, and it's so good. The first time that I went to this place and I was introduced to this place was by my cousins when we went there, and that was, I think we had it was very different ice cream that we had for the first time. It was some smoked smoked something ice cream. If I remember the name, then I'll put it here. And then the next time I went, I had the Lotus Biscoff strawberry ice cream, and oh my god, it was so good because I love all things Lotus Biscoff. It's my favorite. And yesterday also I had the same thing, and it's always incredibly crowded, and especially because it was Saturday. And I think I've always gone on like a weekend or late at night, and it's more, you know, those lanes of town have a lot of like late night eateries where people come after work, and it's just so nice. Like, there are so many eateries around that place. You all can obviously grab, even Ayub's is there only nearby in the same area, and so you can like grab something to eat like savory and then come here to have your dessert. Very nice place indeed. And I have actually received like a PR package, so I just thought that I could show it to y'all. Okay, so before I show it to y'all, it's a hair care product. It's a hair serum that I've got from a brand. So let me unbox it. I've not unboxed it either, so let me unbox it and show it to you. Here is the package. Let's open it. It's a brand called Little Extra, and they've just sent me a PR package which I have to promote on Instagram. And I think the reel might be up by the time I post this vlog, but if it isn't, then keep a check on my Instagram page because it'll be up there. And yes, we'll create the reel soon. Now I'm just watching Mridul Sharma's YouTube video. I've recently discovered her and her YouTube channel, and I've been watching her videos, and trust me, they're quite entertaining and it's a lot of fun. She's also getting married. She's already gotten married actually, so she's putting like a whole series of her wedding outfits, how she's planning it, and yeah, it's quite entertaining. So I'm just spending my Sunday watching her videos on YouTube, and I love YouTube in general. A huge YouTube buff. I've just washed my hair, so that's why they look like this. They're still wet, that's why not in the best shape, and I have to get a haircut soon because my hair has just lost shape, and oh my god, it's just irritating me now at this point. But anyways, oh my god, just look at this. But okay, anyways, I wanted to, oh my god, they're troubling me too much.
Okay.
My friends tell me that I'm like obsessed with the way my hair looks, but oh my god, I mean, it's such an integral part of everything, right? And my hair just has a tendency to not always sit well. That's why I get a little annoyed. But anyways, this book is something that I had to talk about, and I have to talk about. It's by Masoom Meenawala, who is a content creator and influencer herself. She's one of the OG creators, one of those people, you know, be it her, and then there are a couple of other influencers from the early days back, like, you know, 10 years ago, 12 years ago, that started off with writing blogs. They started off with their blogs and now are creators, and they were like the pioneers for this industry to actually even start in India. So I got her book. I've been reading it for the past few days. I've been slow while reading this book, but it's one of those books that you should read like nicely and slowly and let everything that is written sink in, understand it, because it's really an inspiring book. She's spoken about her entire journey as an entrepreneur, as an influencer, as a creator, how she grew, how she handles the criticism, the setbacks. It's not just for somebody that wants to become a creator or is in the creative field, but in general, anybody wants to get inspired, wants to get a little motivated, understand how to network very well, grow, how to deal with the setbacks. This one is definitely for you. I'm almost done with it. It's a very small book. It's hardly 190-200 pages, so it's a very quick read and very nice. That is it for today's video, and if you all did like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram.